going on, guys? Derek Smith here, your Austin area realtor. I'm out here in front of my next project. It's 3 lots out here in Lago Vista. We're only a half mile from the lake, but we have our hands full with this one. One of them is right here with this carport and mobile home. So as you can see from the outside, a lot of the soffit and fascia is rotted. The previous owner attempted a roof replace on his own and probably shouldn't have. All down here is rotted out as well. So as soon as we walk in, we got the staircase off to the left here. This was definitely built by the previous owner. We're gonna knock out this wall to make it feel a little bit more open as we go up. All of this stone's gonna come out and probably put in another window right above there. Hopefully we won't keep the fence pickets as the railing here. This leads us into the first bathroom here. Could use a ton of work. It's not quite as bad as some of the rest of the house, but there's electrical issues there, septic and plumbing issues here. This isn't done properly. So got a little bit of work in this room. So we got a bedroom right here. Not too much work needs to be done there, just a little bit of drywall and fixing up the electrical systems in there. The whole house doesn't have AC at the moment. So in the attic here, we're gonna put the air handlers and just run all of the chases through and bring in all the air from above. Up here they had second kitchen. This one's still up in the air. I'm getting mixed reviews about whether or not I should keep this or switch it into maybe a bathroom since there's already plumbing here. That is to be determined. There's a ton of electrical work that needs done, as we can see here, and it'll become more and more obvious as we see the rest of the house. We got this stray wire just coming out of the concrete here. More evidence of the wiring issues. This just kind of drops down for the fountain out there, and then from there runs back to the actual breaker box. Everything just kind of running through holes in the walls. Definitely not how it should be done or how it will be done once we're finished here. So in addition to the major systems out here, we're going to be replacing this railing with something a little bit prettier. And then off this gate here, we're going to have a nice metal staircase going down and connecting to the driveway down there. We have this area that was added on, I believe. This step just doesn't seem like something the original builder would have done. So we got a laundry area here, and we currently have 2 bedrooms. We're gonna combine these and turn it into a master suite. And what was previously a closet here, we're gonna turn this into the master bathroom. That's where the showers are gonna go, and it looks like they started that project and just gave up about halfway through there. So now from the downstairs, we have this family area here. As much as I kind of like this built-in, I think it's gonna have to go just to open up the space a little bit. So then off to this side, we have a bathroom and a study. We're most likely going to break a hole in this wall and make it a separate entrance into the secondary master suite that we're gonna be building back there. The kitchen needs the usual, right? New cabinets, new countertops, which kind of hurts because this is nice stone, but it's already beyond repairing, I believe. You know, it's kind of just, yeah. So I believe that this was once a garage. As you can see, there was a fire here at one point. There was another fire in the attic at some point. And it's no mystery why. You know, all these wires are just kind of hanging and floating around wherever they left them at. So we're gonna wall this off. We'll break down this wall and make it flow a little bit nicer to turn this into a secondary master suite. And then leading out this way, we can see the extent of our electrical issues here, which is pretty bad. And we're gonna turn this into like a screened in porch so that this master suite will have a nice area to relax while the other master suite has that exterior balcony area. Back here, you know, just gonna clean it up, make it look nice, draw some more attention to the outdoor kitchen here. And then from that little orange flag on the fence there, up to the orange flag on the, I guess that's not a fence, the wall up there, that's where the lot line is. So now we have a decision to make on whether or not we're gonna fence this off and sell that lot separately or include it with this house. And there's a lot of pros and cons going either way. You're just gonna have to stick around for the after video to find out what we did there. This home is actually fed by a well, and is on a septic system. And then over here, this is the third lot, and the previous owner left all of this. Yeah. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you subscribe and keep an eye on the channel. We're going to be turning this into quite the beauty. Till next time, guys. See ya.